if you want to turn on or turn off your stolen device protection on your iPhone 16e, so first of all, open up your settings. Now in your settings, we gotta scroll down to our Face ID and passcode. Now you have to enter your current passcode. Great. Now we gotta search for our passcode section. Great. So here you'll find your stolen device protection. As you see, it's disabled by the default. However, let's tap and enable it. Now we can choose our security delay option, so whether away from familiar location or always. If you don't need this anymore, simply tap on the switch again. Your Face ID or your password will be scanned. And basically that's it. All right, let me turn it off. We have a security delay, which is fine. We can turn it off with some time, but basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.